They say working from home wouldn't be the same as being in an actual office. And yes, we at HomeSpark say it wouldn't because maybe it shouldn't. In this video, we're showcasing 12 ideas on how to make your nook more conducive to extracting creative juices. HomeSpark. Tips, tricks, and ideas for your home. Let's explore different interior designs that will make your work from home experience more productive and enjoyable. If you want tips, tricks, and home design inspiration, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time we publish a new video. Number 12. Are you a fan of time travel, historical fiction, that type of thing? Would you say yes to living in the time of your grandparents or your great-grandparents, but with the tinge of the world we live in now? If yes, then this design is for you. It's special because it gives off a balance of old-fashioned and modern vibe. Doing this could be tricky, but once you realize you want to incorporate a similar design into your home, it is definitely doable. If you're an old soul, make sure to lean on more retrospective look by impressing vintage pieces and elements. Start looking for fabrics. Use pale colors like this pale pine finish, which would make the room look timeless. Consider antique jars and nice shades of brown for your tables and chairs. Number 11. Rarely do we see a home that lavishes this kind of color palette, so we can say that this is a very bold and brave move. Alex Rodriguez's high gloss office is complemented by large wooden pattern tiles, with Diane von Furstenberg's carpet laid down neatly on top of it. The Florence Snow pedestal table paired with Saarinen armchairs is perfect for both individual and collaborative pursuits. We particularly like how the light passes openly in this room. This style is fit for people who are busy bees, but would like to have a bit of fresh air and natural light to get them working. Therapists and consultants might actually want to consider this equally relaxing and sleek place to give them a sense of style and coziness. Number 10. You really just gotta get creative with the elements you put in your place, especially when you have a darker room. If you want a place for deep concentration, this one might just be ideal for you. If you like working alone, there is ample space for you. So much space actually that you could even accommodate an office buddy if you like some company. Try spicing up your table with unique, sleek, and high desk lamps too. Imagine snapping pictures of your work area to post on your social media accounts. This is perfect for people who are very holistic and driven, meaning this is really their separate place for work alone. They could be a completely different person here, but exclusively here. It would be like when they enter this room, they get in the businessman, businesswoman frame of mind. Are you like this too? Comment below if you are one of those one-place workspace kind of hustler. Number 9. If you're a student going into university, you might have already seen similar designs to these. Because let's be honest, though nothing compares to home, it's also exciting to be able to have your own place. If you are someone who is up for a softer and cleaner nook, then go for subtle finishes and just enough fixtures to have your basic school and office supplies, printer, laptop or PC, and your books. We bet no matter how stressful your workload is, you would be driven to check everything on your to-do list when you have a corner like this to call your private space. You can actually be versatile when it comes to this design. You can read, paint, write, or journal, or even just chill and blast whatever music genre you're into. Number 8. Similar to what we have on number 7, this look radiates a very clean and cozy finish. Unlike other designs, this isn't as private. Instead, it's more welcoming, which is equally great, especially for the artists, therapists, and writers. If you're an artist, I'm sure you can imagine how inspiring it would be to create in a space like this. This is a place where you can invite people over while still maintaining that sense of ownership and pride over the place. Also, imagine getting a dog and being cozy while you work on your papers and documents. Not to mention the light in the air that allows you to relax and take a break with nature. The delicacy of the walls, painting, and fixtures makes this style look classy and timeless. Make sure to watch until the end of the video as we have selected the perfect home office design to match your personality. If you are a maximalist, minimalist, a voracious reader, or an artist, you'll love what we have selected for you. Number 7. The subtleness and muted finish of these designs are contrasted with wooden browns that give it an overall cozy and classy look. This kind of setup is made for people who want to have an area where they can switch back from work mode to sleep mode. This style is very convenient and personal, but not for everyone. But consider this concept. You could have your dog or your partner on the bed while you grind and do your thing. They're just there giving you motivation to get whatever you need to work on over with. Number 6. How many people can actually say that they have a wide office? One that offers relaxing tones and an overlooking view? Indeed, this workplace could really put people in the mood to work with big windows letting in the natural light. If you are someone who likes having magazines, books, and other paraphernalia in your office, then this is a good option for you. To make it personal, you can even top it off with some decorations like jars or small sculptures. Just imagine coming into your office with coffee in hand and being greeted by this view and natural light. Perfect, isn't it? Number 5. What bold colors! This office concept features a nice selection of greens and blues that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also could keep you from getting off track on your tasks. The way the tables and chairs are positioned to get enough light could really fuel your productivity. So if you're someone with an inclination for Moroccan style, then accentuate your room with lines, grids, bold patterns, and of course, carpets like these. With the intricacy of these designs, you can actually have photo shoots in here. These designs are also for people who are down for that rustic vibe. If you don't want to go all modern, then a perfectly balanced, bold and raw kind of room might be suited to you. Number 4. This office concept shows a healthy balance of simplicity and elegance. When you enter this room, you get a striking feeling that in this place, you have one goal. That's it, to get working. Now, this is a type of office that is welcoming to guests and clients. On the other hand, you might like being alone here, enjoying the windows on one side and the fireplace on the other. This specific color scheme is very classy and timeless. With these finishes, there's a right mixture of moodiness and coziness that inspiring you to go through your to-do lists. Not to mention the fact that you can transform it into a mini studio. You can even film in here. And as promised, we have 3 designs that are perfect for different personalities. Number 3. From the photograph-filled corner to the sophisticated paintings by Francisco Clemente, from the Franz West chairs to the black and white furry-looking design, this home office is perfect for maximalists. This is a type of maximalist design that contradicts the common misconception about maximal design being only about clutter and chaos. Here it showcases a perfect aesthetic of boldness, vibrance, patterns, and a sense of being visually busy. This office/living area is perfect for an individual or collaborative setup. Just imagine people brainstorming in an area like this, or maybe just bustling around, chatting and exchanging ideas. This place is perfect for meetings. So if you are someone who has a lot of energy and wants a visually busier setup, then you might want to consider maximizing your place with family photographs. You can even cut out pictures from magazines and put them on the walls. Number 2. The global pandemic changed a lot of things, but one thing that it didn't change is the fact that we are still a generation of multitasking. So this Elwood Lomax desk is a must because it is built with intentionality. Aside from its pleasing aesthetic, it gives you a bookshelf and an entire storage area within arm's reach. But the convenience doesn't stop there. This space-saving feature, drop front desk, also doesn't compromise your workspace because you still get to work on a wide desk. Just imagine the calmness of waking up, brewing your coffee, and getting to sit in an area accentuated by browns and beiges finish. Number 1. Right off the bat, this design welcomes us with natural lighting coming from various angles. Situated on the second floor, overlooking the garden and pool, Stephen Harvey's mezzanine office could give you a paradoxical experience. You could either easily chill and be present or let your creative juices flow by letting your mind get lost, regardless of the weather. So if you love books or just like to collect vinyl records and magazines, this may be your ideal working area. And that's it for our 12 home office design inspiration concepts. We would like to hear from you in our comment section below. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you get notified every time we release a new video.